ever imagined a scenario? What if there was no sun? How different would life be on Earth? Well, our life would change a lot. There would be no difference between day and night. There would be no sunshine to greet you in the morning. And that would definitely be a very big change in your life, isn't it? There will be complete darkness all around us. Wherever there is no artificial source of light, there will be complete darkness because you will have no sunlight. And not only us, even plants need sunlight to prepare food. Plants use sunlight to prepare food by a process called photosynthesis. So you see, it's the sunlight which helps plants prepare food by a process called photosynthesis. Within 24 hours, all the plants would die because there will be no food for plants because there is no sunlight. So, no sunlight would mean no plants. Plants need sunlight to prepare food. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, it is definitely true. Plants need sunlight to prepare food. Without sunlight, plants cannot prepare any food. Now, how do we get food? Well, we get food from plants, isn't it? Now, you may say that we also get food from animals, but these animals are also dependent on plants for their food. So, the animals that provide us food are also dependent on plants. So, what will happen if there is no sunlight? Well, if there is no sunlight, then who cannot prepare their own food? Well, plants cannot prepare their own food without sunlight, isn't it? So, we will have no plants. And if we don't have plants, well, food for both humans and animals will not be available. Now, you may say that we can also eat animals, but animals are not getting any food. So, what will happen? Well, even they will die. So, eventually, humans have no source of food because plants and animals both will not survive without sunlight. So, without sunlight, there will be no humans too. So, you see, without the sun, there would be no food for anyone. So, you see, sun is the ultimate source of food on earth. So, without sun, there will be no food on earth. The sun keeps the earth warm, isn't it? When you have sunlight, you feel its warmth, isn't it? So, sun keeps the earth warm. Without the sun, the entire earth would freeze. So, you see, entire planet would become a frozen planet and it will be very, very cold. No living being could survive such cold temperatures. And so, there will be no life on earth. So, without the sun, our planet Earth would be a dark, cold and gloomy place with no life on it. Can you imagine such a scenario? Well, if there is no sunlight, this is what can happen. So you see, sun is very important in our lives. Sun provides heat or warmth to all the plants and animals. Sun is the natural source of light on earth. And sun is the ultimate source of food on earth. So without sun, there would be no heat, no light, and no food. And in such a scenario, none of us would be able to survive. So you see, no sun would mean no life on earth. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.